So sneakers, no more barefoot. The sunglasses are dirty, but anyway.
Hello my friends, I'm Don, an Albanian travel vlogger, and this is one of the most beautiful trips that I have ever done. A unique nature monument which is EYE Albania, and it's a must, absolutely a must.
Like another beautiful spot where you can have some fun, deep in the fine. Another day, a beautiful day, but really hot. To start the vlog again. And what are we going to do today is that firstly we'll drink a coffee. It's really hot days, and we don't know what the plan is, so let's see how it will go. But first let's drink the coffee. I'm like, every time that I see a shadow, I don't want to move anymore. It's extremely hot, but it's summertime and we are here for adventures. Guys, here we are at the Blue Eye. It's not the place that we are looking for, but later we'll go to the Blue Eye, to the water spring, which is one of the deepest in Europe and absolutely one of the most unique. The waters are pretty cold. The temperature averagely is around 8 degrees, 7-8 degrees, but due to the thermometer or to the measures, it's less than 5 today. Someone told us so, because I don't know, I haven't been there yet. This is the main spot, the beautiful river that goes on to the lake, and we are going to continue the trip because we have blocked the bridge over here. And I'm Don. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And okay, something happened. A little child was dropped on the water, but at least it's safe now. It was a terrible moment. I hope he is fine. He is fine, actually. That's one of the most greenest places. I hope to take the drone, but I don't know what it's going to be exactly. And something else is that today it's super crowded. A lot of people. Tons of people, in fact, here. And the place is beautiful, as I said, but this year the biggest problem has been the heat. I have more than 5 months that I vlog and travel due to my work, which is I'm a biologist, and I have more than 5 months that travel in extremely heat, in temperature over 30 degrees, and especially the July and August have been over 40 degrees, so this has been miserable. And my biggest enemy, let's say. It's really hard to vlog, headaches, a lot of sweating, but let's do it. Okay, so now just got on my swimsuit, which are by Speedo, when I have been a semi-professional, better say somehow professional swimmer, and I hope I can go drop. The temperature of water is extremely hot. I'm barefoot now. Extremely heat and hot earth basement. Oh, I can't do this. Oh my god, it's like freezing cold. crowded. It's super crowded, and a lot of people came here, so you can't have the time to do the right shit. It's super crowded. I'm going somewhere.
Say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
This is one of the most unique places, natural source. Its blue eye is that I'm not sure if this water source or spring is the deepest in the Europe, but the truth is that the divers have dived and have never found the end of it, or the better say the start of the source of the water source. So this makes it absolutely one of the deepest, at least, to be correct, better say. The water today was 5 degrees. It was extremely cold, let's say freezing. I can feel my legs, and I'm barefoot now because I forgot my slippers, and it's okay, not a big deal. We will continue to vlog somewhere furthermore because have a lot of places. It's like a beach area, let's say, and try to do something.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but
Now I'm going off from the blue eye, from the main source, better say. Let's go to the other place where I had like a short beach or small beach where people can dive or dip. I'm barefoot again. Oh, something stuck in my hair, something stuck in my leg. And this is like one of the most unique experiences that you can experience in Albania, actually, because it's very beautiful place, very unique. And I think not only in Albania, but a unique water nature source. It's unique in every place, in every country that you can go. Okay, let's cross the bridge, which is beautiful actually. It's small, old, but beautiful. And continue with the journey. Water, which is still cold, but not as cold as in the eye, let's say, in the source, the main source. It's beautiful. Generally we will drink a beer, and this was a beautiful experience. It's much fresher than in other cities and in other places because it's greenish and water spring and coldness, and everything is beautiful. I'm enjoying this trip. Let's continue to do some more shots. Pretty cold, and this is a very strong stream, let's say. Absolutely unique experience.
was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass.
Okay, a well-deserved beer after the experience in cold water. Of course, a beer is the perfect thing to do right now, to drink just for fresh out and energy. Okay, now back on qualities. We are just here and I'm super enjoying this place, but every beautiful thing has an end, and the adventure has an end, because it needs to be, and it needs to start another adventure. And we will have a lot of adventures in Saranda and in southern Albania, not Saranda exactly. I wear this long black jacket, let's say, because all my clothes were totally wet and the water was extremely cold, so the best thing that I could do was to change my clothes and to be more comfortable in the back down road. So what can we do about that? I'm sure you will like this vlog. I'm not sure if you will like what I say, because it's okay, it's not something very big, because you know, everybody knows some information. But for everyone that don't know what blue eye is and what is this or where is this natural source, which is absolutely mesmerizing and beautiful natural source and water spring, it's something new, and maybe they also get some influence to come and visit this place, which is absolutely beautiful. Okay, maybe I talk too much. I will end this vlog here, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is really important for me. And also, if you like the video, I'm more happy, because you help the algorithm of YouTube to grow my channel, so our channel, better say, because if you aren't there, I can do vlogs, because I can do vlogs, but I will do adventures, of course, because this is not the main thing, but I love doing vlogs, and this is why I'm here. And from the blue eyes Albania Saranda and the beautiful nature of Albania, see you in another vlog, subscribe, and see you really soon, guys. Really soon.